Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make coleslaw in a bag. First, choose a quality pre-shredded coleslaw mix from your grocery store. This saves a lot of prep time. Next, gather your dressing components, about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. You'll also need a large mixing bowl and a whisk. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create that delicious dressing. In a medium bowl, combine about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth and well blended. For an extra touch, add a small pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper. Taste and adjust seasonings to your preference for a perfect balance. With your dressing ready, it's time to combine everything. Open your bag of pre-shredded coleslaw mix and pour it into a large mixing bowl. Then, pour your freshly made dressing evenly over the cabbage and carrot mixture. Using a large spoon or tongs, gently toss the ingredients. Ensure every piece of cabbage is coated with the creamy dressing for the best flavor and texture. Finally, for the best results, cover your coleslaw and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time is crucial as it allows all the flavors to meld together beautifully, creating a more harmonious and delicious taste. Serve your homemade coleslaw cold as a refreshing side dish for barbecues, picnics, or any meal. Enjoy your quick and easy creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.